Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant. Global Edge Engineering Assistant is an automated workflow system that works with your existing software technologies to increase engineering capacity. Global Edge is your engineering virtual assistant that is built around SolidWorks, and helps automate labor-intensive workflow tasks associated with the quoting, engineering and manufacturing workflow process. Global Edge Engineering Assistant is an automated workflow system that includes 8 key areas to increase engineering capacity. Automated Production Work Queue. Automated CAD Part Analysis. Automated Sheet Metal Batch Unfolding. Manufacturability Testing. Automated CAM, Program Generation. Automated Routing Generation. Automated Product Configuration. Automated Sales Quote Generation. Global Edge Engineering Assistant includes automated sales quote generation functionality that works as a full-functioned automated quoting (CRM) system, or can supplement your existing quoting system, quoting spreadsheets, and sales quote functionality built into your ERP system. This is accomplished with Global Edge functionality that automatically imports and analyzes CAD part parameters, which then serves as a foundation for automated quoting. This process eliminates the manual measurement and analysis of CAD parts. This is coupled with processing the CAD part parameters with the Global Edge configuration engine to automatically generate optimal routings, based on cost and/or delivery time, and cost roll-ups. These routing steps and cost roll-ups can then be integrated into your existing quoting system or produce a customer-ready sales quotation. To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.